Pixelbook is an expensive Chromebook. In fact, it is even more expensive than non-Chrome computers. Given the price, you may be willing to go a little crazy to protect your investment. Therefore, you can place the huge amount of $89.99 in the Tech21 Evo Adapt case that has just appeared on the Google Store. The case is a mixture of TPU, polycarbonate and microfiber fabric. Unlike the manga case that is already offered in the Google Store, it remains on your Pixelbook during use. It supports several configurations of hinges, and part of the housing acts as a support to keep the screen at a comfortable angle when resting on a table in tablet mode. There is also a slot for Pixelbook Pen. Undoubtedly, $90 is a lot for a case, but the Pixelbook is for sale for $200 off at this time. If you were considering spending at least $1,000 on it, you can get a Pixelbook and a case for less than that. As usual, you get free standard shipping in the US. In the Tech21 case.